All right.
All right. Welcome back. Yeah, it's
Okay. All right. You want to tell them what we're doing? You want me to tell them what we're doing?
You want me to tell them? I don't know what the hell we're doing.
Oh. Well,
We're making,
we are preparing meat.
yeah, that's what we're doing.
We are preparing meat for the hamburgers, for hamburger patties, for meatloaf,
And our burgers.
and our cheeseburgers that go inside the roll.
Yeah, yeah.
And what we are using is hamburger that you buy at the grocery store
Yeah.
and venison that you don't. And we are going to show you why we buy venison. This is your lean hamburger. This is your venison.
Oh, put it up a little bit. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hamburger,
Yeah.
venison.
Fun stuff, right?
Hamburger, you have different levels of it. Venison, it's just venison. Okay? It's all red meat. Real red meat. Real red meat. Okay.
Okay. That won't go down anymore. I'm going to have to change this.
We also have peppers and
Hold on.
onions
Hold on, I'm going to change it.
in our bowl to begin with, because we're going to start mixing the hamburger and the venison. We're going to just crumble it up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I can throw it in the trash can while we're going. I don't think he cut it down far enough. He didn't.
Oh, son of a...
Gun. Shoot 'em up, bang, bang.
Okay.
Yay! Georgia.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that meat.
Oh, my God. Isn't that beautiful?
And look at this. Look at that. This is your real red meat.
What fat?
And this is
percent-
your wild red meat.
What percentage of meat do you reckon?
88%.
88? Oh, my God.
And nearly zero. It's a deer.
And
So-
trust me, you wouldn't know the difference when you eat it.
Oh, yes, you will.
Well,
The flavor.
the flavor's good. But
Yeah,
I'm saying,
flavor
you
is
know.
is much, much better.
Are we
I got the bag. I got the
Okay.
things of hamburger over here. So.
Okay. Are we putting everything in right now?
Yep.
Okay. So I don't have to worry about it.
Nope.
Oop.
If you throw those bags, put those bags over there in that sink behind you,
Uh-huh.
so that we can rinse those out before they go in the garbage.
Okay.
Don't even come in here, Silas.
He said, but I smell meat.
I know he does.
I smell it.
Okay, here comes Silas, but he's not getting
look at
anything.
it. Get down. Get down.
You better not take a bite of burger. But Mom, burger's like my favorite. And it's just sitting there.
Oh, burger is good.
It's a whole pound of meat and it's so good for me. And oh wait, she's got red stuff. Maybe I'll go over there. What are they doing?
Oh, look at his face. How can you deny it a little piece of
Because this is what he should be given, not this stuff
Oh.
up here. I don't feed him hamburger. I feed him this. Cow's meat ain't good for him, as far as I'm concerned. If I look, he's like, "Babe, that was good." You
Can
can
I
like,
have some more?
you can have it. So,
Aw.
wait, what did you give him? Uh-oh, I see him now. By the way, raw venison and hamburger are good for your dogs. Yes, it is. And I have husbands. And a box. It's good for my Siamese cats, too, by the way.
I'm surprised they're not in here hovering.
You run them off too many times. They got in too much trouble. He ran to the back.
Alright.
Alright. Now,
So we have 8 pounds of meat.
8 pounds of meat.
So we're not going to bore you with the mixing of it. We'll be back.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. So what we have in here now is the blended venison, the onions and peppers. And please do not respond and say that I have to cook my onions and peppers separately because that's BS. And since I know better, it won't work. Okay. Along with that, I am adding a little bit of minced garlic because we are using this meat in multiple ways. Let's see. Plop. Plop. Garlic is good for your body. Garlic is good for inflammation. I have that. And then you just mix it some more. Whoops.
So if you go have a Dairy Queen and your joints swell up, then just eat some garlic.
Yeah. Or some onion.
I'm
Or
sorry, I can't
even
help it.
better than that, if you're going to go to Dairy Queen, you absolutely have to have that great big one because it just reels you in. Okay? Eat protein afterwards. You won't feel quite so bad. Serious protein. Seriously. Because that ice cream messes with you. I know. I also have type 2. I have type 2 diabetes. I eat ice cream all the time. It messes with me. Screw you. I mess back. Okay?
I do what I want.
I will do what I want. Black pepper. Black pepper. Black pepper also reduces inflammation in your joints
Oh,
and is very good for your body. So, black pepper, people.
so no wonder I
Yeah.
don't have a lot of
Inflammation in your
inflammation.
joints because you love you some
'Cause I'm
black
a-
pepper, girl.
I'm a pepper freak. I'll
Yes. Now you notice one thing I'm not putting in these burgers? Salt. You don't need much salt between the garlic and what I'm getting ready to put in here next. So, sorry, more pepper is needed. Yummy. Okay, get that pepper going. Alright, make sure that's in here. Now, my next spice is adobo. If you don't know about adobo, I'm sorry, you haven't found it in your store yet. Pick it up, read the label, and read what's in it. Not only that, it has turmeric in it, okay? But I like to come home and add more turmeric because of my body. I need a little bit more turmeric. So my stuff ends up a little bit more orangey. My boxer wants a piece of hamburger.
Can you see her?
No. Look. She knows she can't have it. She knows she can't have it, but she's sitting here hoping something will fall. And she's looking at me like, be sloppy, Mom.
Be sloppy.
Be sloppy, Mom. You were sloppy once, but now you got all this other. And do not feed this to
You didn't
your
put any of
dogs.
this in there.
Not yet.
Okay.
Do not feed this to your dogs once you put it. The onions I've got in here, when I get to them before, we were giving them pinches of the venison, but we could get the pieces of onions out. Now there's garlic in there, okay? While a lot of people will tell you to give garlic and onions to your dogs, I do not give it to them raw, because garlic can have a lot of other consequences with your dogs. However, once these babies are cooked, my dogs don't care. They have lived through everything. They eat anything, everything. And the tofu monster is over there. Also waiting for something to drop. So now I'm getting ready to throw this stuff in here. Well, yeah, you're going to have to. It might be a little... yeah, hamburger meat. Alrighty. Now, I swear by me some adobo, okay? Mm-hmm. I like it in my rice. Ugh.
On chicken.
Oh, because I blended up, in the panko.
Uh-huh. Yum.
But in your rice, instead of making, something that is really super expensive, and they tell you that it actually has one herb in it that, costs the world to buy.
Yeah.
Basically, what you're actually getting is turmeric anyway.
Yeah.
So, if you want yellow rice, you're getting turmeric. You're not actually getting, whatever.
What is it? Saffron?
I know. Saffron. Yeah, you're not getting saffron in there. You want saffron, go look at the price of saffron. That's why you're getting turmeric. But turmeric is so good for you. You still can't have it. Boxers do not give up on anything. She is absolutely certain that she is going to get something to eat. Aren't you? You keep getting closer to me. Okay, so what do you want to do? You want to make the bell peppers or start on the burgers?
I don't know, but we'll get everything made and then we'll come back to
Okay, that sounds great.
So we'll be back. Okay, guys, we got some, as Bob calls them, Mondo Burgers. Okay. We have 6. This is a sheet cake pan. And, and it's going to make 2 meals for 3 of us. Or 3 meals for 2 of them. Whatever. And we're going to put some plastic over this, freeze them, and then we're going to put them in a separate container so they'll be easier to handle. Right? Right? Ready? Is that okay?
That's right.
Now we're frying up
The rest.
to make our meal for tonight. I'm so excited.
And to make those little cheeseburger things.
Yeah, they're cheeseburger bombs, I think they said. Anyway, we'll be back.
Oh yeah, these are the...
Yeah, well, these are the stuffed green peppers. I took a picture, but I forgot to show the ketchup on top. And we will baking them. When they cool, we will be putting them back in these, wrapping them, and freezing. La la la. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 meals right there if there were doing 3 of us.
Yeah.
Or 6 meals if it's just you two. All right, never mind. 5 meals because he's going to eat more. Okay, never mind.
No, he eats 1 potato, 1 pepper
Okay.
is what
Yeah,
he
so
eats per meal.
it's either 4 or 6 meals, whatever. So, all right, we'll be back after that's fried and we're making cheeseburgers for tonight.